Yo, dudes, welcome. I'm Jake, 216, and this is our good friend Charlie, and welcome to the Ghoulish Art Show. Caught!
Hey guys, $5, stamp your own hands, no ins, no outs.
Ow, ow, ow! Wait a minute! Who are you?
Okay, let's talk about your BBC. I have a tape of a BBC.
Are there any drugs in this house?
If there
Put that down for a second.
If there are, you better find them and give them to me immediately. Ooh, drugs in the house. Wrong time.
Catch me outside, how about that?
That's the only way to do things. You do something, do it.
Oh, what's your magic swinger over there, Froggy?
I was so fat and nasty.
Oh, God. Froggy's the name, and harassing the ghoul on New Year's Day is my game.
Yo, dudes, welcome.
Yo.
Funky fresh for you guys this week. Talk about cute little animals, man. They're real fluffy and cute. Check them out. We got a smoking rat, a bartender turtle, and a bored looking cat. Check them out. Pretty groovy, man. Funky fresh here at the Ghoulish Art Show, man. What's even cooler about these little ink drawings that I did is not next week, this week, later on this week, I'll be posting again another Ghoulish Art Show video of me turning these into little bookmarkers. So if you want to check that out, follow along if you want, send it in to the ghoulishartshow@gmail.com. And I'll display it here on the Ghoulish Art Show. Also, if you got anything like original artwork, short films, some music, send it in. We're not critiquing anything or doing reviews. We're just trying to have fun, show off other people's work and our work, trying to get the world motivated to create. Because once we stop creating, our brain just turns to mush. So, go ahead and send in some artwork if you want to display it here at the Ghoulish Art Show. Also, shout out Ridgewood Riffs for that awesome tune earlier, man. That dude is staying funky fresh. We got more Ridgewood Riff work coming in. Possibly not next week, but the following week. We will be doing another cover for them, man. Ridgewood Riff is keeping me and Charlie fed and keeping ramen noodles in our cabinets. So shout out Ridgewood Riffs for keeping me and Charlie fed and letting me use my song. That's pretty funky fresh, man. So go check him out. His link is in the description. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to us too, man. We are almost to that 100 mark, and once we hit that 100 mark, we are going to indeed not cool it with the boom booms. We are going to blow some stuff up, create a beautiful ink drawing, and edit some weird videos to make more people look at me strangely on the internet. Because here at the Ghoulish Art Show, you will find nothing but the lowest of the lowbrow punk rock artwork you have ever seen here on the tube. So, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. Holler at me, man. I want to interact with my audience. And if you're an artist yourself, holler at me and I'll post it up here at the Ghoulish Art Show, man. Shout you out. Get on with the artwork.
out. And now the movies, folks.
Hey, Mueller. What's up, man? Have you seen the XLR cables?
I don't know, man. There's a backpack full of them.
No, there is. Jeez, which one is it?
One of them.
No shit, man. No shit.
Want one?
Nah.
Do you have a light?
Nope.
Hey. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Got a light?
Yeah. Actually, no.
We are going to start it off with this band from Eastside Houston. This is fucking Eco Terror! Motherfucker rock! Yeah! Motherfucker rock! It's a benefit show, y'all. So give what you can. Everything is be going to our community DACA fund. So please, hey up, hey up. One last thing. I'm sorry. If you're xenophobe, anyone out there, all I gotta say is fuck you. All right.
Little baby bunnies, they are warm and friendly. Watch them as they play, watch them as they work. Eating peas and carrots makes them very happy. Hopping on the ground, hopping all around. Bunnies are our good friends. Please don't treat them bad.
I get a light. You're gonna be smoking alone? Of course. Smoking on the patio only, not inside.
I'm going on the patio.
Okay.
Can I at least get a beer?
Can I get an ID? You look a little young.
Beer.
I don't need the attitude.
Can I get a beer?
Sure can. Thank you, man. Not a problem. Here you go, son.
Roger?
Hey!
I came here by myself. Did you too?
Nah. I mean, yeah, some of the homies are here, but I took the bus by myself.
Do you live far?
Like 15 minutes away?
Same. I don't have my permit yet, so I can't drive. So I walked.
How old are you?
17.
Okay, so what bands are you usually then?
I don't know any of them. It looked like something I'd like.
Do you like it then?
I think so. I don't know how to dance yet.
We'll figure it out.
Hey, have you seen Roger?
Yo.
Nah.
Okay, well, if you see him, can you tell him to find me?
Yeah, I got you.
Thanks.
Hey, Danny. Hey, man, you got a lighter I could borrow?
I do.
Thank you, man.
It happens to everyone.
No, it doesn't.
I thought he got a concussion.
The kid is fine.
But you're sorry, right?
No. Fuck no.
Hey, guys, he's fine. Here, drink some water.
You okay now?
Yeah.
He's okay. Everyone back out. Give him some space, all right?
Watch yourself next time.
It was embarrassing.
You're good. It happens to everyone, honestly. You should have seen me in my first show. I got flattened like a pancake, so it's not a big deal. Lighter away.
Got something for you.
What? Thanks.
You were asking for one.
Yeah, but this person gave me theirs, so. I like that one better, though.
Chupacabra! Mire, chico, it's the chupacabra. Chupacabra. ¡Ay! ¡Cómo me pica el chupacabra! Hoy es tan feo como babra guagua.
Some people say they have seen the chupacabra. After some tequila, he was dancing the lambada. We don't know where he has come from, making all the Mexicanos looking like a dum-dum. They say that he's a monkey. I think the whole story's just a little funky.
There's a buggy-eyed creature that we call the chupacabra, 4 feet tall like a mutant in Chihuahua, in Mexico City, Puerto Rico, Nicaragua. ¡Eh, chupacabra! Hay un criatura que se llama chupacabra, es muy feo como si babra guava. Queremos pasar algunas palabras. ¡Oh, Chupacabra.
This song is silly, but you see we really gotcha, like hearing the La Bamba or the Hoki Cucaracha. We started a sensation about a creature that is just hallucination. We did it for the money, but we do it when we think it's really funny.
It's a buggy-eyed creature that we call the Chupacabra, 4 feet tall like a mutant winged chihuahua, in Mexico City, Puerto Rico, Nicaragua. Hey, Chupacabra, hay un criatura que se llama Chupacabra, es muy feo como TV Barbaroa. Queremos tratar algunas palabras. Oh, Chupacabra, there's a buggy-eyed creature that we call the Chupacabra, 4 feet tall like a mutant winged chihuahua, in Mexico City, Puerto Rico, Nicaragua. Hey, Chupacabra, hay un criatura que se llama Chupacabra, es muy feo como TV Barbaroa. Haremos cantar algunas.
Yo, dudes, welcome back, man. Sorry to interrupt, but it is showtime, folks. And we must tell you what that was. That was Punks. And this is their only video on their YouTube channel. And their YouTube channel is called Punks Short Film. So hopefully they just keep making punk rock short films, because that indeed would be punk rock. Let me get that little sound bit. Punk rock! I think I played it already. So, man, keep it going, guys. That was funky fresh. We want to see the punk community keep growing, man. There's not enough punk rockers in the world. If you ask me, we need even more. Well, there might be in California. I don't know. I've never been. Also, punk rock in Cleveland. But that film was funky fresh. I did not understand the plot a little bit. I was rambling just now. But I didn't understand the plot a little bit. And, but either way, I enjoyed it, man. Glad to see the guy was able to get a lighter, man. I thought, why would you go to a bar to play a gig without a lighter? What kind of guy is this, man? And he smokes cigarettes. So, who smokes cigarettes and don't have lighters? Come on. But anyways, next week, this week we got those two. We get the cute woolly animals, which we're doing right now. Then we get the bookmark, and then we got the John Williams, and then we got the Ridgewood Riffs. And next the week after that, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. But if you got an idea, I also will be. I keep pointing off screen. I'm sorry. Hey. During the middle of next week or the following week, we'll have our celebration video. But after Ridgewood Riffs video, man, I don't know what to do. I got a couple of ideas. But if you want to see me draw something, man, holler at me in the comment section. Whether it's a drawing you want to see, or me just do some kind of art style that I normally don't do, just holler at me, man. It'll be funky fresh. Also, man, let me know down in the comments below. I know I'm a weird, chaotic freak here on the tube, but am I a cringe millennial? Man, and if you guys want to see a cringe millennial video, holler at me and I'll make a cringe millennial video, because I am indeed a millennial. And yeah, holler at me about that, man. But yeah, go show Punk's short film some love on their actual channel, man. Don't let me ruin their film with my sound effects and my video editing. Go like and subscribe to them, man. Hopefully they keep pumping out more punk rock videos. That is funky fresh. That indeed would be punk rock, but honored with the art. Cut!
We're filming.
Man, welcome back. Man, it is the saddest time of the week. It is time for me, Jake 216, and our main man, homie Charlie here. You lost your eyeball too. Hey! But for our main man Charlie here, to say goodbye to the good folks of the algorithm, man. Thank you for watching the Ghoulish Art Show. Me, Jake 216, your art ghoul, and our main man Charlie will be back later this week for turning these cute real animals into punk rock lowbrow bookmarkers. And I think
That's hot.
funky fresh. Also, the week after. No, that's next week. Don't mind me. I was just smelling some Rust-Oleum. But the week after, we will be doing our John Williams painting, and we will be fighting the good fight and speaking our minds with our artwork to try to run this guy out of Cleveland, man. If you guys want to see me deliver the painting to him, holler at me, man. Send in a message on, never mind, just comment down below, man. Tell me if you want to see me take this painting to Mr. John Williams, myself indeed. Also, the week after that, we are going to be working on another mustache. But following week, might be. The following week, we will be doing another cover for Ridgewood Riffs, man. Funky Fresh, this guy is keeping us in a job, man. So Charlie gets to eat even more ramen noodles. And we are hitting, what was that, Charlie? Here's your eyeball. There you go, fool. How many subscribers do we got? Charlie said we have 97 subscribers. So that means 3 more, and we are hitting the 100 mark, which me and our good friend Charlie will be doing some amazing stuff here at the Ghoulish Art Show. It will be our celebration video. We are indeed not going to cool it with the boom booms. And we are going to do a funky fresh pen drawing, ink drawing, whatever you want to call it. I think I want to keep it in the Cleveland themed, since, you know, me and Charlie are, you know, the man from the land and the skull from the land. So we're just going to keep it Cleveland themed, man. So it's going to be funky fresh, man. And then, wait, did I already mention the Ridgewood Riff? Oh, okay. So yeah, this week, cute little animals, and then our second video is going to be cute little animals on punk rock lowbrow bookmarkers. And then the following week, we are going to fight the good fight against John Williams, the male organ, remember? And then the following week, we're going to be doing more work for Ridgewood Riff. And then I don't know what we're going to be doing, but we will be doing something. It will be funky fresh, man. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Sorry this video was a little short and mainly me just rambling. I just wanted to get something out there for you guys. Something simple, cute little drawings, man. And yeah, man. Stay sick, turn blue, scratch glass, climb walls, and do not get caught. See you guys later this week, yeah.
I think what makes someone an artist is they make models of their inner life. They make something physically come into being that is inspired by their emotions or their needs or what they feel the audience needs.